Welcome to this session. In the series of AWS Solution Architecture, examination preparation and the interview for the AWS Solution Architecture, let's start here. What's the new question for today? So today's question is what service we should use when want to connect between private instance account A and instance in account B. So the question is pretty straightforward that there are two instances who running in two different account and both are running with the private network. So which service we should use to connect these two instances? So the option is VPN, VPN peering, internet gateway and all. So let's wait for 5 seconds and till time you can judge your question, you can write your question in comments. So let's see. Okay, so the answer is VPC peering. So VPC peering service provided by the VPC implicit, and with VPC peering you can connect two different accounts VPC and you can make the communication between two different VPC network. Over VPC peering is working in a same account with two different VPC also. Okay, so VPN is the not service provided by the AWS, and even you cannot use with AWS resources. Internet gateway is used for the masquerading network, and you should not allow your network directly through your private network. So here option internet gateway will not work, and the all will not work as VPN is also not part of this. So let's move for the next question over here. So next question is which Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, so EC2 pricing model allow you to pay a set of hourly price for compute, giving you the full control over when instance launch and terminate. So here the question is which pricing model you use for hourly base, and the key point is here you should have the access of the full control of instance terminate and launch. So options is here spot instance, reserve instance, on demand instance and dedicated instance. I assume that you have the knowledge of the spot instance, reserve instance and the on demand instance. So write your answer in comment and let's move for the answer over here. Okay, so answer is here is on demand instance, where spot instance will not give the rights for the terminate and the launches, as it will control by the bidding price. So once someone else will bid more than you, it will automatically terminates. Reserve instance will take more price as you have to commit for uh, long term contracts, for example 3 years, 5 years and more than that. Dedicated instance will reserve your dedicated hardware, and again it will make a costly over here. And here is the on demand instance is answer, because on demand instance will give the flexibility of price of the hourly base, and it will give the full control of your instance terminate and your instance start, because the use of actual your instance will make a price over here. So the answer is on demand instance. So friends, this is two questions over here we discussed today, and we'll meet again with some more questions. Thank you.